Welcome to Modest, Motivated Monroe, a rare opportunity to own a piece of Glenview history. This vintage farmhouse has been in the same family for generations, and it's already set up for the estate sale. Out back, there's a 2-bedroom coach home, ideal for rental income or that adult family member you just can't get to leave. Step inside to the 3-bedroom and 2 baths, perfect for those with a vision, whether you're looking for a rehab project or prefer to tear down and build anew. This extra deep 45 by 150 lot is nestled at the end of the block, surrounded by multi-million-dollar homes, making this location truly exceptional. With both a farmhouse and a coach home on the property, your possibilities are endless. Customize, expand, or start fresh. Don't miss this chance to create your dream home in a private yet prime Glenview spot. It's ready to show, so schedule your tour today. Modest, motivated, and bursting with potential. This is 1950 Monroe in Glenview. Come see it for yourself and imagine the future you can build here.